Good afternoon, student. Now today we will start exercise 8.2. First topic, hundreds. A hundred is a single part of something that has been divided equally into 100 parts. Okay. For example, 100 is equal to 1 upon 100. Okay. Now we start exercise 8.2. Understand? Good afternoon, student. Now we start exercise 8.2. Question number 1. Complete the table with the help of their boxes and use decimal to write the number. Okay. Now here you see that A is box divided into 100 parts. Now we write 0 ones, okay, tens, 2 tens and 6 hundreds. Now the number 0.26, okay. Now in B, 1 ones, 3 tens and 8 hundreds, okay. Now the number 1.38. Now you see you see that 1 ones, 2 tens and 8 hundreds, okay, 1.28. Okay, student. Now question number 2. Write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. Okay, serial number A, 0 hundreds, 0 into 100, 0 tens, 0 into 10, 1 ones, 3 ones, 3 into 1, 2 tens, 2 into 1 by 10, 5 hundreds, 5 into 1 upon 100 and 0 upon 1000s. Okay. Now we write here 0, 0, 3, 0.2, 0.05 plus 0.000, 3.25, 3.25. Okay. Now in B, 100, 1 into 100, 0 into 10, 2 into 1, 6 into 1 by 10, 3 into 1 upon 100 and 0 into 1 upon 1000. Here you see that 100, 0, 2, 0.6, 0.03 plus 0.000. This implies that 102.63. Okay. Now we start C. 0 into 100, 3 into 10, 0 into 1, 0 into 1 by 10, 2 into 1 upon 100 plus 5 into 1 upon 1000. Okay. Now here you see that 0, 30, 0, 0.0, 0.02 and 0.005. Now the number 30.025. Okay. Now D you see that 2 into 100, 1 into 10, 1 into 1, 9 into 1 by 10, 0 into 1 upon 100, 2 into 1 upon 1000. Okay. 200, 10, 1, 0.9, 0.00, 0.002. Now the numbers 211.902. Okay. Zero into 100 plus 1 into 10, 2 into 1, 2 into 1 by 10, 4 into 1 upon 100, 1 into 1 upon 1000. Okay. Now here 0, 10, 2, 0.2, 0.04, 0.001, 12.241. Okay. Now question number 3, write the following decimal into place value table. Here you see that place value. So now we write first question: 0 hundreds, 0 tens, 0 ones, 2 tens, 9 hundreds and 0 thousands. B, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, 2 ones, 0 tens, 8 hundreds and 0. C, 0 hundreds, 1 tens, 9 ones, 6 tens, 0 hundreds, 0 thousands. D, 1 hundreds, 4 tens, 8 ones, 3 tens, 2 hundreds and 0. E, 2 hundreds, 0 tens, 0 ones, 8 tens, 1 hundreds and 2 thousands. Okay. Now question number 4, write each of the following in decimals. Here you see that 20 plus 9, 4 by 10, 0.4, 1 by 100, 0.01. Now we write it 29.41. Okay. Now in C, 0.7, 0.06, 0.004. Now we write it 0.764. 700 plus 20 plus 5 plus 0.09, 725.09. Okay. Now question number 5, write each of the following decimal in words. Now you write it first: 0.03. Second, 100, 0, 108. IGST 8.56. 5.008. Okay. Between which two numbers in tens place on the number line does each of the following number lie? Here 0.06 lie between 0 and 0.1. 0.66 lie between 0.6 and 0.7. 0.57 lie between 0.5 and 0.6. Now question number 7, write as fraction in lowest term. Here we say just 0.60, 60 upon 100, 0, 2, 5 or 10. Lowest term 3 upon 5, 75 upon 100, 0.75, 4, 3 by 4, 25 upon 100, 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, 1 by 4, and F 0.125, 125 upon 1000, 1 by 8. Okay. Thank you, student.